Wherever you are, I hope you're doing well, and welcome to the event channel. Only if you enjoy the video, don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe if not done. That will encourage me to continue. You guys are awesome. Berlin faces disruption as Storm Lambert passes, rail services affected and streets submerged. The recent onslaught of this fearsome storm brought severe warnings of hail, torrential downpours, and the ominous threat of tornadoes. While Berliners escaped major calamities, some inconveniences arose. Deutsche Bahn has reported temporary closures on several train lines, causing the Berlin-Hamburg line to be rerouted via Stendal. Firefighters were called to action a total of 42 times, including in response to a roof fire in Kaulsdorf triggered by a lightning strike. Additionally, Spandau's sewage system succumbed to flooding, rendering the street impassable in either direction. As we can see, everywhere in the world the climate can change suddenly. Let's remain vigilant. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.